Welcome everybody to Milo's new adventure. We're out here at the boat ramp today in Eustis, Florida, looking around, trying to see what we can see out here. It's been a while since I've been out here. Boy, this water is awful high out here too. You can't even hardly see the boat ramps out here. This used to go probably right about in here, about where the water would start, right about in here. So you see right there, that sign drop off is way out here, way out here. So yeah, these lakes are real full out here too. I wonder why this boat's stuck over in here. I wonder. Looks like it's been there a while. Looks like somebody just left it here. You can, the allergy stuff hasn't been messed up, so it's been setting here a while. Pretty nice boat to just leave setting. Mercury. Wow, looks like it's been here a while. Boy, look how dirty it is. It doesn't look like anybody takes care of it very much. Boy, see the canal up in there, guys? Park over there. I guess these homes back over here have a canal up in here where they can go out to the main lake. The main lake is over on that side, behind those houses. It does look like it sat there overnight. Boy, look how dirty it is. Boats are nice, but it's something you have to use. I see a battery down in there. Maybe they had trouble with the electrical. I don't know. They sure have changed over the years, that's for sure. Everything's electronic and stuff. I don't know what you can see. Very good. They must have had a problem with it. Well, I just was coming by here, thought I would stop and check it out, guys, so you could see what it looked like out here. Pretty nice place. A couple of boats over there, that a couple trailers that people's put in. It's been a while. I've flown my drone over here before. This is where I almost hit the bridge over here. We're going to make our way back over to DeLand. To the boat ramp over there. I see they got a walkway over there. I never even knew that. The canal up in there. This is where I flew my drone up in here. I flew it under that bridge just to mess around. I almost hit the bridge. Oh, look, here's somebody up there with a boat there now coming in. They're fishing. I wonder if he got anything. A nice little walkway over there. We'll ask this guy if he caught anything. There's some more boats back over there, another marina back in there. Waterfront Grill. You catch anything?
Not one bite yet.
Not one bite. Man, I know over on Lake Dora, or yeah, Mount Dora, they were catching quite a few over there over the weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, over the weekend. Boy, it sure has changed out here a lot, hasn't it?
Yeah, that new restaurant, I guess it must have just opened.
Yeah. It's all growing up around here. Well, hopefully you catch something. You coming back in, I guess? Or, oh, I like it.
I'm gonna hang out for a little while fishing here.
I like your boat. I like
It's kinda
the
windy outside, out there.
oh, I like your John, yes, I like your boat. I like your design. Very nice. Well, good luck then. Good luck, man. You would think they'd be up in here. Boy, this water has gotten a lot higher since I was out here last. All the hurricanes, I guess. Well, good luck, man. Good luck. Hopefully I'll catch something there. Well, guys, that's what the Eustis boat ramp looks like out here. Just thought I'd come by, see what's happening out here. Not too much today. A couple of guys here. Well, until next time, guys, just thought we'd come by and check it out for a second. No swimming sign over there. I wouldn't think, well, if you went swimming out here, I would kind of wonder about the person. Caution, low lake level. Huh. Launch at own risk. I think that sign could come down or something there, I guess. That sign's off a little bit, put it that way. No swimming, alligator inhabited. Do not feed or molest. I don't think I'd want to try to mess with an alligator too much. Right over here, that's where they park the boats and stuff. Alright guys, we're out of here. Until next time, take care.